Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set pin lock password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, see in my phone there is no password. With one swipe, I can unlock my phone. Okay, if you would like to set a password, that is pin password, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen, then click on screen lock type and click on pin here and type any pin here. At least 6 digits is recommended, but you can set minimum 4 digit and maximum you can set many digits. Okay, so here I would like to set 1995 and click on continue. Again you have to type the same pin to verify. Okay, that is to register the register your desired pin. You got to type the same pin. Okay, then only it will be registered properly, and click on OK. Yes, and click on done. And if you would like to use remote unlock, use turn on, otherwise cancel, and go to home screen. Now put lock in your phone and try to unlock your phone. Now it will ask your pin lock password. Okay, so your pin contains at least 4 digit. So here I give 1995 and click on OK. Yes, it is unlocked now. I have set pin lock password in my case. In this way, you can easily set pin lock password to your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.